In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Monday.com account. Before we dive in, a quick note. You'll need to be an admin on the account to follow these steps. If you're not an admin, you won't see some of the options we're about to use, so make sure you're logged into the correct profile first. Start on your main Monday.com workspace. Look towards the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture or initials. This is your account menu. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. This opens a small menu with various options related to your account and workspace settings. From this menu, select the option labeled Administration. This will take you into the admin area where you can control higher-level settings for your account, including billing and subscription details. It might take a second to load, especially if you're managing a larger workspace, so just give it a moment if needed. Once you're in the administration area, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a list of different sections you can manage. Find and click on Billing. This is where Monday.com keeps all the information related to your plan, your subscription, and payment details. On the billing page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're looking for a red text link that says Close My Account. It's intentionally placed at the bottom so you don't click it by accident. When you see that link, click on Close My Account to start the closure process. Monday.com will now guide you through a few prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to select a reason for canceling your product plan. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This feedback is mostly for them, but you do have to select something to move forward. After you've answered the prompts and reviewed the summary, click Close Account on the final screen to confirm that you want to close it. At this point, your account is considered closed, but your data may still be stored. A new screen will appear with an additional option that's very important if you want everything gone. On this screen, look for the option that says Delete My Account Data for Good. This is what permanently removes your data from Monday.com. Once you choose that option and confirm, your account and its associated data will be permanently deleted. Be sure you've exported or saved anything you might need beforehand, because you won't be able to get it back after this step.